Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today I got a box in the mail from the Facebook page Crystals and Rocks $1 auctions. So I'll have the link in the description of this video if you guys want to go follow along in that group. It's basically different people that will post rocks and crystals starting at $1, and then it goes up to how much ever. Some people win for $1, some up to $20. It just depends on who all bids on it, and there's some pretty cool stuff on there. So I'm just going to show you 2 or 3 of the items that I got. Nice little incense stick. Smells pretty good. There's one item. Set that off to the side. Be right back. So I know I got some Mexican calcite and then I think a piece of Indonesian amber. So we're gonna, I'm not sure which ones contain that, but let's check it out. So here is one of the pieces of the Mexican calcite. Hold on, let me turn my flash on. There you go. These pieces I plan on cabbing and making some copper wrap pendants with these pieces. Kind of cool. I have some big chunks of these, but didn't want to cut them, so I figured the smaller pieces will work perfect for that. Here is a blue one. Here's a nice green one. Very beautiful. Ooh, nice. I wasn't expecting to get one of these. These are it's a type of quartz. I can't think of the actual term right now. I'll make sure to put the name of it right here in the on the video. But he sells these from time to time, and so do a couple other sellers. Very beautiful. Look at that. Oh man, that's awesome. So sick. Ooh, look at that rainbow inclusion right there. And that one right there. Oh, that is awesome. Ah, he's sending another one. It's like Christmas. Look at that one. That's so beautiful. Look at that. That's too cool. Okay. Another piece of calcite. Got some nice layers there. Make a beautiful cabochon. So cool. Got 2 more to unwrap. Do that one in a minute. I think this one is the amber. I could be wrong though. Nope, this is the amber. I was wrong. He said that there's a lot of really cool inclusions in this, so I'm going to try and do some hand polishing on this piece. I know amber is really hard to work, but in just a minute we're going to turn the lights off and see if this glows using a uvBeast 365 nanometer long wave light. We'll see if the other ones glow as well. Calcite. Yeah. It's a lot heavier. So beautiful. Look at that. Okay, let's turn off the lights. I'm gonna grab my UV light and see what these look like underneath the UV lights. Okay, so it's mostly dark in here. I'm just kind of moving all the pieces out in front of the camera. And so first piece is this piece of calcite. This is that yellow one that we last saw a second ago. Has a nice, on the camera you can't really tell, but in person this is lighting up green under the black light, which is pretty cool. The next piece, this one's glowing orange. I can't remember what color this was prior. I think it was yellow. The other yellow piece has orange. Really cool. Look at that. The waves or laces show up way better with the black light than it does in normal lighting. It's cool. Look at that one. That one's cool. Get the light just right. Check that out. Super cool. Here is, I think this is the blue one. Lights up red and green, but you can't see the green on the camera. That's cool. Here's a piece of amber. Lights up white and yellow, and a little bit of blue right here, but the camera is drowning out that color. This will be fun to work on soon. And then here is that quartz. I think the quartz is from Pakistan, I think is what he said. But it does not glow much at all. And here's this piece. Yeah. Anyways, thank you, Josh, for sending all this. I will have fun working with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and checking out the a few cool stones that I picked up. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, go follow the Facebook group, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.